What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys have been following my Instagram, I've been posting up a lot lately about my next build for the Supra. So if you guys didn't notice by the title, I'm actually going to go bigger horsepower. Yeah! So first off, I'd like to give a big shout out to Powerhouse Racing, MVP Motorsport, and Evasive Motorsport as well for helping me get these parts. Without them, I wouldn't be able to get all the parts that I need to build the Supra. My goal is pretty much 600 to the wheels, about 500, maybe 550 torque. So I bought a bunch of parts that are coming in. About 70% of them came in already. I'm still waiting for a few before I actually get started on the install. So if you guys want to know what parts you need and how much it costs to build your Supra to go at least 600, stay tuned. Supra. Check it out. The winning edge in boosted performance. So this is Precision Turbo. So I got the it's pretty much sealed. It is the Precision 6266 dual ball bearing turbo. So I wanted to have a turbo that eliminates lag. I love the lagless feel of the twin turbo setup. So the Precision 6266 dual ball bearing turbo is a better option. I mean, you can go over the journal bearing, which is a little bit laggier, but the dual ball bearing, I heard, is almost instant that the boost will kick in. So that's the turbo that I went with, and it's actually pretty big. So got him! So I ended up getting the Powerhouse Racing Street Torque kit, which is the a really complete kit for your Supra. If you didn't want to go out and actually find all the components yourself and doing custom fabrication work, this kit pretty much have everything for the left-hand drive and the right-hand drive car. I don't really see much videos on the right-hand drive part, so I'm going to try to do more videos on how this kit's going to work on a right-hand drive car. So if you guys want to know how it works, check it out. So with the kit, it comes with a log manifold. I'm not going to open it right now, so all these are going to be pretty much brand new when I get it installed. It comes with the intercooler piping that you can set up for this, the dump tube, the 4-inch intake with the filter, and then so this is the downpipe, and that is the mid-pipe dump tube. So if you guys don't know, you can't really see it, but it's actually welded. It's a two-piece, so you have to get this separately from Powerhouse Racing. They come with the downpipe, mid-pipe combo, and the mid-pipe, which is this right here, is welded on to the turbo elbow that comes with the Precision 6266 kit. And what this does is it eliminates the dual cat for your right-hand drive Supra. So this piece right here comes with it, but this part is custom made to fit the right-hand drive car. So let's take a look. So I don't know if it's hard to tell, but pretty much the brake booster is on the right-hand side as opposed to the left. So all the steering rack, all that stuff is going to be in this side. So the downpipe and the mid-pipe will rub against the steering column because it's made for the left-hand drive. Whereas this will clear it. So the custom build pretty much bends the opposite way, which will clear the steering rack. So it comes with the V-clamps, couplers, little filter breather, comes with the oil return lines, oil lines, manifold bolts, shorter studs, gaskets. But yeah, this is pretty much the complete kit. And then right here is the tile 44mm external wastegate. So I'm planning also to be running a flex fuel kit as well for this car. So I have to upgrade all the fuel system. The stock injectors are not going to hold, as well as all the lines and all that stuff. So if you guys want to see what it is, here's all the fuel system that I got. So I got the Injector Dynamics 1050X injectors. So I got the adapter for the fuel pressure regulator, and also got the fuel pressure gauge. I got an IAT sensor, which is right here. This is the fuel pump. So right here, I got the Walbro fuel pump for the ethanol. Then I got the harness for the fuel pump, the hardwire harness. And then these are just pretty much fittings for the fuel rail. And then this is the top fuel rail conversion. So, and then this right here is my VLS wideband. So this is gonna match my other gauges that are VLS as well too. So it's a pretty nice addition, or I'm gonna install this. So stay tuned for the install. So yeah, that's all the parts that I currently have right now. I'm still waiting for the flex fuel kit from AEM. I'm also waiting for the fuel pressure regulator from Radium. I'm also waiting for the ETS front mount intercooler, which is a 4-inch core. So that also comes with a tile blow off valve. So I'm pretty stoked. So total up, I mean, it's not a cheap build, but it's gonna be worth it once it's on the car and tuned. So I'm gonna be running the G4X SupraLink. I heard that's a really reliable EMS, which my tuner recommended to be doing. So I'm gonna be installing the G4X SupraLink on there as well too. And then I also got a VTI display gauge that's coming in as well too. So that's going to be a really good tool for me to monitor pretty much everything on my car from the ECU. Pretty excited. I know you guys are pretty much excited. I know on Instagram you guys want to see how much power this car is going to make. So if you guys really want to see, just stay tuned, because it's going to be an amazing build. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the parts that you need for your car. If I'm missing a couple things, those are probably just miscellaneous stuff, but those are just a main component that you need for your car, just to make sure that everything is running great. So I'm running still on street tires, which is the Powersport 4S 275/35 in the rear. So hopefully I'll still get traction, but you may never know. Let me know what else you guys think that I still need for the car that may be beneficial. And be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next build, because you don't want to miss this. Till then,